Hi all, welcome to my channel. This is Varun. In this channel, we are going to cover the interview questions which are being asked on Python, PySpark, SQL, etc. To start with, I want to give a brief intro about myself. This is Varun Kumar Vishnudas. I'm working as a big data developer, having total 5 years of experience. As I said you earlier, my idea is to give the knowledge about the interview questions, programming questions which will be asked on interviews, like on technologies like PySpark, Hive, Scoop, SQL, Python, etc. So let's begin the video. In this video, we are going to find we are going to write a very basic code on Python, which is like finding sum of two numbers. It is like very basic and the most asked interview questions. uh, and I can say that if you are new to Python, do not worry. If you are not good at programming, do not worry. If you are aware of little basic concepts of the earlier programming languages like C, C++, Java, you will be able to work on Python also. Let's begin the show. Whatever the code you are writing in Python, if you are writing any functions, that function will always begin with def keyword and name of the function. Like I'm taking the name of function, as we are finding the sum of two numbers. I'm taking the name of function as sum of numbers, and I'm trying to find the sum of two numbers, right? As I said, I'm trying to find the sum of two numbers. So I'm taking two parameters, a comma b, and this is a syntax of any Python code, any Python function. Definition, name of the function, and the number of parameters you are dealing with. This is the name of the function. And what we are doing here, we are trying to find the sum of two numbers, right? So I'm taking a new variable c, and in that c I'm adding like whatever the values I'm adding, a plus b, whatever the value we are getting after doing a plus b, that will be stored in c. Okay. Now after after storing the variable in c, I'm just returning that value. So I just wrote as return c. Sorry, my laptop is little slower. Return c, taken return c. Next, as I've taken two parameters, I'm taking two integer variables like x is equal to 20 and y is equal to 30. Okay. So what should be our end goal? Our end goal should be like finding the sum of two numbers. So I'm taking one print statement. As we all know, print will be used for printing any statement. So as we are finding sum of two numbers, what I'm doing is like I am writing a statement like sum of numbers. Correct. Sum of numbers. And what we are doing, we are doing like sum of two numbers, right? So whatever the function we have declared above, I've taken that sum of numbers. And the sum of numbers function, how many parameters it has? It has two parameters. So I'm taking two parameters here. So by this, what we have done, we have created a function with two parameters, and whatever the parameters we have taken, after adding two parameters here, and that value is being stored in variable c. I'm returning that variable. And after that, I'm storing I'm taking two variables and storing values into that variables, like x is equal to 20, y is equal to 30. And I'm using print statement for finding the sum of numbers. And how many parameters we have taken, the same thing. Let us run this program and see. I got the sum of numbers. This is how we will be writing a code in Python. Hope you all understood my explanation. If you have any questions, please write in comments. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel for more updated content and interview questions being asked. Thank you.